I guess that's what you get for sticking your head in a bag. Trixie, what did Pixie do? There she is. I don't know if you'll stick your head in the bag again. Oh, wait. Yeah, you will. Maybe not as far. You gonna bite it? What'd the bag do to you?